Are you tired of dealing with sinusitis and rhinitis symptoms every day? Constant congestion, run nose, and pressure in your head can truly be debilitating. But what if I told you there's a simple recipe that can help alleviate these issues naturally? 1. Let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for this powerful remedy. You'll need raw honey, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and lemon. These ingredients are known for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, making them perfect for treating sinusitis and rhinitis. 2. Start by grating a piece of fresh ginger and extracting the juice. Mix this juice with a tablespoon of raw honey, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir well until everything is thoroughly combined. 3. Consume a tablespoon of this mixture twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. The powerful combination of ingredients will help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and provide relief from your sinusitis and rhinitis symptoms. 4. It's essential to stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and avoid triggers that may worsen your symptoms. By incorporating these lifestyle changes along with the natural remedy, you'll be well on your way to managing your sinusitis and rhinitis effectively. Don't let sinusitis and rhinitis hold you back any longer. Try out this simple recipe and take control of your health naturally. Remember to like and share this video with others who may benefit from this remedy. Let's all say goodbye to sinusitis and rhinitis together.